Day 9 of our Yukon adventure takes us back to BC via the Cassiar Highway 37. The same way we came, but with a stop in Stewart, BC. The day started out with almost clear skies and a bit of fog along the Liard River. Once we fueled up, we headed south. I never noticed this sign by the fuel stop before. South to Alaska. But Hyder is to the south, right beside Stewart, our next planned overnight stop. We passed through this massive burned out area that was slowly starting to recover from the fires that ravaged through in 2010 and again in 2016. We encountered lots of bears. Once through that area, we entered into the Cassiar Mountains and stopped at Jade City for a free coffee and, of course, the joke of the day with Niels. So we're here at the Cassiar Mountain Jade store, having a little free coffee and a bathroom break and just enjoying the morning. But it's time for Neil and his joke of the day. Neil.
Hey, Fog Ducker here. Turned 75 this year, which reminds me of the old guy that was in his room by himself when he didn't have his hearing aids in. But his buddies figured they'd get him a lady for the evening and give him some entertainment. So they spend $500, and this lady comes in, bursts open the door, and whips open her leather coat and snaps the whip, and it's got nothing on. And she says, "I'm here to give you super sex." He looks at her and says, "I'll have the soup." So,
I don't know. I think his jokes are getting worse. I don't know. He's running out of steam.
It gets better. If it was me, I would have said, "Wow, I'm not into leather, but I can't be swayed."
Ooh.
And then I show her this and say, "I'll give you 2 nipples for a dime if you can fit them in there, honey."
Okay, that's a comeback. We're done. Back on the road.
See you tomorrow.
Once on our way again, the scenery just got better and better as we headed further into the mountains. There was a stretch of freshly seal-coated highway just north of Dease Lake, our first fuel stop of the day. All the dust, combined with the sticky, gooey bug splats on both my camera and windshield, made it difficult to see much. Once fueled up and lenses cleaned, we continued south to Iskut, our next planned fuel stop.
Eventually.
Once we were fueled up and lenses and windshields cleaned again, we had continued on south towards Mazayadin Junction.